I'll go into the calculations. Inside your calculation, these are your suppliers whom we have configured. So Home Tech, Hardback, CW Systems, CW Shutters, and some security products. So as an example, all this uses a pricing sheet based calculation. So it usually have a grid behind it, each of these price. However, the CW Shutters uses a square meter. So that's what you see here as the calculation algorithm behind it. So if I go example into Home Tech, so once I'm in Home Tech, you have a product called rollers configured. So if I go into rollers, these are the field sets which we have configured for you. The locations, fitting, control side, all these options. And the pricing grid is usually configured inside the type field. So if you go into type, these are all Home Tech pricing range. So if I go into range number 1, this is the grid we have configured. Now, in this grid, you can see there's an original sheet and a retail sheet. And you have a price controller here to plus or minus value dollar or percentage. So example, let's say for that measurement, the price is 66 is your cost price, and you want to provide a discount and then add a markup on top of it. So let's say you want to give the 50% first, and then you want to plus 100%. So as you can see, this is the price. After I've changed the price, it turned into this. And it also keeps a log of all that price change. So you don't have to remember later what you did. And if you did make a mistake, you can always hit that reset and that'll default it back to the original price. So that's how you manage your pricing grid-based calculation.